miss me? What's that? What's that? I love you. Hey, check me out. Hanging around. Hanging around.
Check this out, my amigos.
What's that? What's that?
Does that voice sound familiar? You know it.
Hey, what's up?
Your boy Mikey Boy provided the voice for these.
Hanging around.
I know it's supposed to dance and stuff.
Showtime. Ready, set, do the rock.
That is so cool.
Hey, what's up?
It's supposed to dance
I
around,
love you.
but I think it's like tied down or something.
Showtime. Check me out. Back. I'm back. Did you miss me? Ready, set, do the rock. Hanging around, hanging around.
How sweet is that? I've been waiting a year for this. And it's also being released in Spanish. I'm not 100% sure if I provided the voice for it in Spanish, but
Hey, check me out.
why the hell isn't he dancing?
Hey, what's up? I'm back. Did you miss me? Showtime.
And I know he tells jokes, because we told jokes during the session,
Showtime.
but for some reason,
Ready, set, do the rock.
oh, there's someone in the back.
I love you. Ready, set, do the rock.
Oh, dancing. Dance.
What's that? What's that? I love you.
Okay, how about this one?
Hey, check me out.
Oh my god, that is so cool.
Back. I'm back. Did you miss me? What's that? What's that? Back. Hanging around, hanging around. Hey, what's up? Showtime. Ready, set, do the rock. I love you. Hey, check me out. Hey, check me out.
Yeah, the batteries are probably dying in these. They've been touched so much, I think,
Hanging around, hanging around.
because it's just not moving.
Back. I'm back. Did you miss me? What's that? What's that? Back. Hanging around, hanging around.
Hey, these don't move anymore. Do you think maybe the batteries are dying on it or something? This one and this one?
Showtime.
This one moves.
Ready, set, do the rock.
I think with these, so all of them
Is
I
that one
love you.
back here?
are actually like that.
Yeah?
Hey, check me out.
I just figured that maybe these got touched so much
Yeah.
that, you know, they've run out of
The
battery.
batteries may be out, honestly.
Or they're just not strong enough to push it anymore.
Yeah,
You
but
think?
this one's been going on for a while.
Yeah, it has. I've been hearing this one for a while.
This one's been going on for a while.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'll take this one.
Alright.
Hanging around, hanging
Yeah.
around.
This is my voice.
Really?
Yeah. I did this voice about a year ago.
That's crazy.
I know, and I've been waiting for it to be released. And,
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah, that's my voice. Showtime! Hello? Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy.
I know.
How'd you get that? Like, how'd
I've been doing it for a long, almost
Yeah?
like 15 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's like voice acting or?
Yeah, it's voice acting. So
Have you done anything else that's gotten like released or something like that?
yeah, I've done a lot of toys, like Power Rangers toys. I come here often to pick up toys, and a lot of cartoons and video games
That's
and
super cool.
commercials. Yeah,
That's tight. Wow.
yeah, it's crazy to find it.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Hopefully, it sells a lot. When they call me
Honestly.
back.
Yeah. For sure.
Yeah.
Did you miss